All right, this is a Searzall Pro after 2 hours and 5 minutes of burning. The tests that we did were, first a 5-minute burn in this position, which I call vertical, and then a 20 cycles of 1 minute on, 1 minute off, where the screen is parallel with the floor. So 1 minute like this, then turn off, then allow to rest like this for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute rest, 1 minute on. This is to simulate thermal cycling. Then after it goes through its 1 minute on, 1 minute off cycles, we then do 5 separate cycles of 20-minute burns like this, vertical. In between each, you have to allow time for the temperature of the MAP gas container to come back up to room temperature, and you must run it on MAP gas, must run it with a TS8000 or a torch that burns 19 to 20 grams of CO2, 19 to 22 grams of MAP gas every 5 minutes. Correctly configured. So after 2 hours and 5 minutes of total burning, this is the Searzall Pro with the Nichrome 60 rear cone screen with coating of ITC 213 and then another coating of ITC 296A ceramic brushed on. This one's fresh. So on the 2 hour sample, you'll notice there's a little bit of bowing. This is fine, a little bit of distortion of the front screen. The front screen is Conthal 20, but all of the wires are good. So then let me remove the front assembly. I already have the screws out. The inside of the unit, there is some carburization of the carburization of the Conthal screen on the inside, but this is acceptable. This is in okay shape. Insulation looks good. Going on to the cone screen, you can see that there's almost, this was due to the initial welding. There's almost no damage to the internal screen. It's nicely oxidized here, and in the section where the ceramic was protecting it, it is in perfect shape. From the front side, you can see also that compared with the fresh sample, there's almost zero degradation and that it is in very good shape. So this is a very high pass. This works very well, and this is with the off-tooling Searzall Pro sample. Thanks.